serene water, liquid beauty, a gentle stream, or a mad rush of foam. That's a lake for you. With over 1,000 kilometers of shores within the country, lakes are as intrinsic a part of the Swiss landscape as its famous mountains. And all that water affords opportunities for adventure, romance, and even fine dining. There are lakes behind every mountain, and there are cities next to every lake. So it's no surprise that there really is something for everyone. Three crazy travel junkies on three distinctive agendas in one spectacular destination, Switzerland. They are in search of their top experiences of food, adventure, and Bollywood. Come along with me as I follow them around this glorious country on Swiss Made Adventures. Since this week's Swiss Made Adventures is all about lakes, let's begin our journey with the largest lake in the Alps, Lake Geneva, one of the most popular destinations in Switzerland. Forks in the road are common, but it isn't every day that you come across a fork in a lake. You'll find it on the north shore of Lake Geneva in the town of Vevey. In fact, some of Switzerland's most well-known cities are located around this lake, like Lausanne, Montreux, Vevey, and no prizes for guessing this one, Geneva, which is where Shumona Chakravarti is gearing up to ride the waves. Meanwhile, our filmy friend Chang can barely hold his horses in Yash Chopra country. And down south, our master chef falls for Switzerland, hook, line and sinker. And I will be following these three travelers around this country of lakes, starting with the largest. On the southern tip of the expansive Lac Léman or Lake Geneva is a glorious city of the same name, Geneva. This is where you have the headquarters of Red Cross and United Nations, a city that is surrounded by the Alps and Jura Mountain, a city that has welcomed hundreds of nationalities from around the world. And now it's a city that's all geared to thrill you on Swiss Made Adventures. Though originally established well before the birth of Christ, Geneva is as modern a city as possible, routinely figuring in the list of cities that offer the highest quality of life in the world. Geneva combines natural beauty with great architecture. Some of the world's foremost international organizations may have their headquarters here, but Geneva is not all work and no play. There's a ton of things to do for those on a holiday. And trust me, it's a city that demands to be explored. So don't spend your time here sitting down. In fact, you don't have to confine yourself to the streets of Geneva. The city of Geneva offers a ton of activities for those looking for some action. You know, the thing about Switzerland is that adventure is never too far away. So even though the city of Geneva is beautiful and fashionable and people come here to hang out in the evening, our adventure junkie is out here to find the biggest thrill that the city has to offer. So Arthur, I believe that there's a ton of activities that people do on Lake Geneva.
Yeah.
What all can one do here?
Wakeboarding,
Okay.
wake surfing,
Okay.
paddling,
Okay.
and windsurfing.
And I believe Shumona is going to be doing wakeboarding with
Wakeboarding.
you. What is wakeboarding?
Wakeboarding, it's like snowboarding on the water.
So snowboarding on these blue waters, that's exactly what Shumona is going to be doing on a glorious sunny day like today. Should we go get her?
Yeah.
Okay.
go.
really work up a sweat if the water's as deliciously cool as this. But you can certainly have a whale of a time. While Shumona is all set to sweat it out, I'm planning to take things lying down.
Here I am in one of the most exciting cities of Switzerland, and that's Geneva. And I'm right next to Lake Geneva, like a little centimeters away. And I cannot wait to dive into the largest lake in Western Europe. Oh my God, Lake Geneva, here I come. I'm going to dive in very, very soon. The water is freezing cold. I'm going to just dive in, that's it. डायरेक्टर को बोला था I'll dive another day, but no, I was told आज ही करना है. And now that I'm here, I am super excited. And I'm going for wakeboarding, my first ever.
Go! Okay,
How to get out?
you sit in the water, just don't pull, tries to wake up too early, that's all.
यार पिक्चर में जब ये सब स्टंट दिखाते हैं तब तो it looks so easy. But when you're actually on a wakeboard in a freezing lake, then you literally get to know कि कौन कितने पानी में है. This is not easy at all. The water is really cold. You need to hold this rope tightly. And ऊपर से you need to make sure your stance is right. मतलब body and brain का workout एक टाइम पर हो रहा है. Super hard, but also super fun. Okay, so I really tried to get up. And I think amongst the several attempts that I made, I think maybe for half a second, I was somewhere between standing and being in my position. But it's a fabulous experience, one must do. Next, I'm going to try something called water tubing. दूर से it looks pretty simple. Just lie on this huge rubber gadda and chill. Easy. This is not easy at all, but I promise you, it's awesome! Yay! Yeah, I know I was holding on like I don't want to fall. Now I need a glass of wine, desperately. And luckily for me, that option's not too far. Barely 20 minutes from the center are these gorgeous vineyards that make for a lovely side excursion from Geneva. From lake to land, from rubber tubes to rubber tires. Time to explore Switzerland by bicycle. So here I am with Jean, who's taking me on an e-bike tour through the vineyards after a wonderful adventurous wakeboarding experience that I just had at Lake Geneva. And this is my first time and I'm in awe of the beauty. So Jean is now taking me for wine tasting. Cheers. For me, I think it's the best way to enjoy the local Geneva wine. Cheers.
On the other side of this break, which filmy lake is our Bollywood boy going in search of? Come back for more Swiss-made adventures.